Hello, I am Vikrant. In each of the following question, a sequence of group of letters and numbers is given with the one term missing as shown by the question mark. Choose the missing term out of the given alternatives. The series is B4, F6, H8, J10. The next will be. Now, here if we look at the sequence carefully, we'll be able to observe that in case of D4, D is the alphabet number and 4 indicate the position of the alphabet. So, and after every position we have alternatively next letter placed, that is after D we have leave the E, then we come down to F, where 6 is again the position. So F we have left G, then H, then I, J, so that the next will be L, that comes on 12, and we have 12, that is again the position of L in the alphabet series. Then we have M, which we have left, and then we'll be having N, 14, that will be again the position. So the answer will be third, that is L12 and 14. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. In each of the following question, a sequence of group of letters and number is given with the one term missing as shown by the question mark. Choose missing term out of the given alternatives. The series is KM5, IP8, GF11, EV14. The solution is, if you look at the series, we are able to observe that for the first letter, we are moving K to I, then to G, then to E. That is, we can say that from K to I to G, we are moving 2 steps backward. Then if we talk of the second, that is M, in this case we are having M to P, then to S, then to V. We have a movement of M to P to S. We are having a movement of 3 steps forward. So in this case, that is again we are having a movement for the numbers, that is from 5 to 8 to 11 to 14. We are again increasing it by 3, that is 5, then to 8, then to 11, then to 14. So here we are having a movement in the same manner. So it will be the next term that will be preceding it by C, that is K, I, G. After G, if we move 2 steps backward, we get C. After M, P, S, again if we move 3 steps forward, it will be Y. And after 14, if we move 3 steps forward, it will be 17. So the answer will be CY 17. So the answer obtained from the options will be 4th. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. The question is, in each of the following letters series, some of the letters are missing which are given in that order as one of the alternatives below it. Choose the correct alternative. The solution is, the letters here follow a cyclic order. That is, right now if we look at the sequence, we have the sequence as B, B, C, C, A, A. The next will be here the required term, that is B and A. Similarly, the next is C, C, A, A, B, B. And the next will be C, C, A, A, B, B. And the next will be A, A, B, B, C, C. That is, if we look at the movement of the terms or the movement of the alphabets, they are moving in a cyclic order. So we can say that the answer is therefore third, that is B, A, C, A, B. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. In each of the following letter series, some of the letters are missing which are given in that order as per the alternatives given below it. Choose the correct alternative. The solution is, the series here is in moving as cyclic order. That is, if you look at the pattern, that is A, B, C, C. The next will be B, C, A. The next will be C, A, B. The next will be A, B, C and C. So this is the required pattern. The first and third letter occur twice. That is, if you look at the sequence, it is A, then B, then A, then B, then C. So it will be, the answer is 1. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. In each of the following letter series, some of the letters are missing, which are given in that order as one of the alternatives below it. Choose the correct alternative. The solution is, if you look at the series, it is A, B, C. Then we have A, B, then C. Then A, B, and C. Then finally we have A, B, C and then C. So the required format is that first all the letters occurs once, then twice, then both A and B occur twice, and finally all the three letters appear twice. So this is the pattern which we are observing here in this case. So the answer therefore turns out to be C, B, A, C. That is, answer is 4th. Thank you.